the rear shock tightened for my weight. You know, I was 220 pounds, so you might want to loosen it when you get it running.
Yeah. No trips to the ER, so like that. Huh? Hello? Can you hear me? Yeah. My bad. But after I get it done, I'll swing by.
Damn! Holy shit!
Huh? Done! Show us how it's done. Real quick. Yo, again, and everybody, is your boy Labas, and we back again with our next one. And welcome to my very undecisive day. Not knowing what I'm gonna do. I mean, I got a lot to do, I just don't know where to start. I can either go buy a radio for the truck, which I really want to do because I ride around with no music, or at least the music I want to listen to ain't cool. It's not cool at all. I need to go get the power steering bolt, the banjo bolt for the Z, so we could put power steering in it. We got the pressure line and all that other stuff. Did I mention that I might be getting a dirt bike? Alright, so we went with option number one. Ooh, G37. Went ahead and bought a JVC single DIN deck. It has Bluetooth, Alexa, variable colors. Woo! It has all that nice stuff. So let's go ahead and head back to the house and throw this in, and then I'll fill you in. This is what we got to work with here. A little bit outdated, but it works. Alright, so we're here back at the house. I'm not even gonna waste no time. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in. I'm excited to get some tunes bumping in this thing. As y'all could heard, I don't think I posted. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't, but I'm pretty sure the speakers are blown in here too, so this will probably be a two-part video. First part is going to be upgrading this so we could get the Bluetooth connectivity going in the truck, and then the next step would be upgrading the door speakers. But let's do one thing at a time. First thing you're going to need to do is yeet your old radio out of here. Thankfully, someone already did it for me, so maybe. Oh, yeah, there we go. Alright, so if you're doing this yourself, don't be scared. It's just wires. Just a lot of wires. Alright, so let's make it easier. I'm just gonna unplug this piece. Pull this guy out. Alright, so I'll take this off and then take all this inside and deal with the wiring inside. Alright, so let's go ahead and crack this thing open. We got, oh, it comes with a mic. Okay, gotta hide this in there somewhere. Harness. Oh, that's pretty convenient. They done upgraded since the last time I did this about 10 years ago. Ooh. Okay. Alright, so this is the unit we got to work with. It's a JVC, obviously, from you guys could tell from the box. A lot of features. That's all I want. So, I am going to clean up this harness, disconnect this harness, and put this one on it, and just make this look a lot cleaner. So I'm not gonna bore y'all with that. I'll just do it. Wait, that was weak. Ooh, Okay, I got it this time. Hold on. So there we go. This is a whole lot better than what we just had compared to what that was going on. But I didn't have any electrical tape, so I just used some heat shrink tube. Haha. Yes, I have heat shrinking tube, but not electrical tape. But I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and make sure everything works before we seal them up. Unlike electrical tape, you can't reuse heat shrinking tube. You gotta cut them off to use them and put new ones on. So let's go ahead and check everything up before I heat shrink them and then seal it up. All right, so everything's plugged in. Let's see if she works. Survey says survey say head. Oh, there we go. We got static. Does it turn off with the key too? Hey, I think we did a good job. Let me go ahead and get this sleeve situated and stick her in there, and we'll run some non-copyrighted goodness for you. All right, I like it. Got a USB port, got the aux cord, got the Bluetooth. Let's hook up the Bluetooth real quick. Hey, pair please. Hey, we up to the Bluetooth truck. Got Bluetooth now, B. Yeah, all my cars gotta have Bluetooth in it. Since I was driving the Jetta, hop in, cut the car on, music already started playing off the phone. You can't ask for more than that. Let's see, we need that sucker free, babe. Sheesh. Yeah. Sleepless nights trying to learn how to die in my sleep. Alright, so decks in. What y'all know about that high chew life, man? If y'all watch Jimmy Oaks, y'all probably already know about it, but if y'all watch me and don't know about it, I'm the one that put you on. Recently, obviously, I've been eating them. These rappers in here. Ooh, let's try this kiwi one. Yeah, I watched Jimmy Oaks, and I see him get these in. I'm like, they might be hyping this up too much. But nah, these things is the pressure, bro. Damn. Kiwi kind of tastes like green apple, though. Sorry to expose y'all. Interesting color. There we go. Day color. Oh, you could set up different. Oh, what a perp. Give me perp. Y'all ain't got perp. Y'all lame, bro. We need to take this back. Let me put it on green. Oh, you gotta make it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty sick. Yeah, that perp, boy. Okay, okay, I lied. You gotta stay now. Yeah, I think this was a good purchase, y'all. I'm gonna leave it right there. We're gonna do zone 1 in. I think I'll leave it right there. Let me see how I like that. Pro EQ. What we said hertz in this thing? What? Yeah, we need to get some sauce for this ASAP. I ain't even gonna go through it no more because I need to hear what differences is happening to know, because some of this stuff. What was that? Alright, well, might as well continue this video with some bad decisions, right? Alright, let's go.
1348 right now.
Well, here we go. Your boy bought a first dirt bike. Appreciate you, Brando, man. Yeah, I'm gonna be right there next to you.
Full FML.
Man, this a big bike.
It really is for 125.
It's a big bike.
Everybody always thought it was 250.
Hey, hold this real quick.
Everybody always thought it was 250.
Oh.
And then the rear shock tightened for my weight. You know, I was 220 pounds, so you might want to loosen it when you get it running.
Yeah, I just rode Blake's bike for the first time.
That heavy, mother.
Jesus Christ, bro! I had to get off of that thing before I killed myself, bro. That thing is nasty.
Man, I ain't even got one on my new bike yet.
Uh-oh.
I'm glad you thought to take that shit off of it.
Yeah, Blake.
That's how I brought it over here with it, isn't it? Oh,
I've had stuff fly off before.
Let me get some light for you guys.
I've lost my pantry seat before. Yeah, I'm good.
Here we go. Brand new KTM. Well, not brand new to me. But this is my first dirt bike. I ain't got no experience on a dirt bike. Any dirt bike I've been on, it's been that, guys. But we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you stay tuned. We got stuff to do. Y'all hold it down.